Yep, it's El Proto from alloneprostudio, and today we are going to continue on how to make Afrobeat. We've done the drums, we've done percussion. I'll leave a link in the description of this video, a link to those two videos in the description of this video so that you get it. Today we are going to do the melody instrument and those kind of things. Let's hear what we have here already. But there's something I want to add to here. Let's see. So okay, drag and drop to take it up, hit Alt here and the direction, and it goes up. So I want to copy this one, copy. I did a right click there and I went to copy, right click again on this one and paste. So what we have here is now let's go to the real business of today. So these are the three things I added to make a little melody. So the first is this one, this piano vamp sound here. Okay. So what I did there, I added this piano 6 from Hammer. So let's go into it and see what we have here. So yeah, that's what I used there. So I just hit and brought it 1 2 back after setting this place on this step here. I'm doing this stuff on C, and I'm using the chord of A minor, which is this one here, then the next G major chord. So that's how I did it. Just look at it. Now let's go to the next stuff, which will be the simple bass. The bass too is from Hammer, simple bass. Yeah, so gives you this. So that's it, both of them. Use this one a little. If you don't know, this is the volume. So let's hear. Ow. Now the next one is a little melody to make things nice. So let's hear it. Let's see what I have here. E and C. It's just something that follows the chord. I just played the chord from top down. And the next one, which is the G chord, G major chord. The G major chord is G, B, and D. So I just did the same thing from the top, D, B, G. So I just use the chord to get melody. So using chords to make melodies, something that you can do. You can put this to practice in any work you're doing and use notes that make up the chord to do some melody in the whole thing. Let me reduce velocity a little. Why I do this sometimes is because when I reduce it, it has this more human effect. Changing the velocity, make it have a little human effect. Let's see what we have. Let me know what you think about this beats. And if you have any question at all, hit me on the comment section below. I really like to hear from you guys. Like this video if you like it, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. I'm El Proto. This is All One Pro Studio. That's it.
I'm the best.